Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. I'm Oluwabumi Adejumo by name. And for my returning subscribers, I love you guys. Thanks for the love and support. If you'd like to see how I created this indoor mini shoot for a 1 month old baby, kindly stick around and watch to the end of the video. Love you. Welcome back, guys. So straight to everything. The reason why we are here, and this is just me saying hello to you guys. Hello. So yes, the first thing you'll be needing is a table for placement, and I'll be using this my center table. Yeah, followed by this lovely baskets. I love the color actually, and I got it from the store for like 10 reals or 9 reals thereabouts. So I'll be placing that on the table, as well as a pillow. Yeah, this is his pillow actually, and we'll be using it for the shoot. The concept is creating an indoor, so you have to use whatever you have in your house. Yes, the next thing is this lovely jacket, and I'll be using the inside of this jacket as a covering. Yes, I don't have a brown for what's it called, wrap or shawl. That's why I improvised using this. So what I'm doing is folding the edge of the clothes, or I mean the jacket, so it doesn't look like a jacket. It should look more like a wrap or a shawl. You get me? So yes, you want to create a seamless look with it. But like I said earlier, if you have a wrap, you could just use that. It doesn't have to be this. You get me? Yes, it doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Before I proceed, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do that now. Kindly click on the red button below. Kindly give this video a thumb up, and as well turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I drop another video. And kindly drop your comments below if you have questions, if you have anything you want me to do. So yes, I added these two ball like things. I don't know what they are called, but I can't even remember the price as well. It's been over 5 months. And I'm just going back to the cam to see what it's looking like, if I'm leaving anything out, if I need to make more adjustments. And I'll be adding this lovely toy to give color. You get me? Yes. So still checking if it's comfortable enough to place the baby in it. Yeah. So that's just it. So this is what these things look like. And yeah, watch, learn. It doesn't have to be like mine. You could get more creative. Of course, you have a lot of corners in your house you could use to create what you want. So I'm removing the cam so you get a closer look of what it looks like inside. Some people use a box as well. I've seen people using like gift box to create theirs and all of that. So it depends on what you want to create. You get. So I shot this newborn look using my phone. I shot and edited with my phone. So yeah, I'm trying to place it in ways I feel look more desirable. Yes, I think the slant way looks more better than just leaving it as a straight form. So yes, I'm adjusting the table because I'll be using the cotton the angle between the curtain and the fridge to shoot. The fridge won't be appearing as a fridge, and I'm adjusting the light as well, moving it closer to the table, but not too close because you do not want that light, like the you do not want to expose your baby to that light. The lights I use a LED 600. I don't know the name. Yeah, so it's the light is always too much, and you don't want to expose your baby to that. Yes, so that's pretty much it. I'll be coming back with the voiceover. Watch and learn. So yeah, and now I'm just test running, and yeah, I wish this was closer for you guys to see. I always take my picture upside down so you can see what I mean by using the curtain and the fridge for my angle to get the right angle. So yes, this is what I mean. So just checking if the angles are right. This is what it looks like as a video. And yes, still trying to get my angles. You really want to get your angles right before you take pictures or you make a video. So that's pretty much it anyway. Like I said earlier, I shoot pictures upside down using the portrait mode, and or I practically just zoom in. Yes, so that's it. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and I'm laughing because it's actually bigger than the basket. So I'll be attaching a video of what it looks like inside the basket. So like I said before, I shoot using portrait mode, and there are other options of lightings you might prefer while shooting on portrait mode. I would attach a video also by the side so you could see what it looks like. So yeah, this is what I'm trying to explain about lighting. You could see studio light, contour light, um, stage light. The stage lights focus on the subject. Then stage lights mono, that's black and white. So it depends on what you actually want. If you like how the studio light looks like, you could go for that. So I think I took one picture using studio light, but it was looking kind of weird, so I just decided to go with natural light. So that's all about that. Yes, so yeah, the next video is how it looks like while it was 1 month, and this is what it looks like 1 month, and you can see how well in place it looks like, everything fitted. And yes, so I would advise when you want to do a newborn shoot, it's preferable when they are asleep. It's much more easier. It makes your work easy. So because once they are awake, they are active and would not want to stay in place. So yeah. So I got this outfit from Shein. I don't know. Yes, I got this outfit. It comes with a bandana, a Panama rather, and it was we really had a very difficult time trying to put him to sleep and all of that. So yeah, but The outcome was lovely. I loved the outcome of the shoot. So yes, this is what it looks like facing up. I just decided to like spice this up using is that glasses. So yes, this is everything we did, and I took pictures from, I'll attach other pictures we took, and yeah, that's pretty much everything. It came out nicely. I hope you love this video. Yeah, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to drop your comments about what you think, and if you have any question you could ask me as well. Don't forget to turn on your notification post so you get notified each time I drop a new video, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Yeah, so I hope to see you in my next video. If you would love to see how I edited the pictures, just click on the card above your screen. It's going to direct you to the video, the editing video. Yes, I love you guys. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.